Hi there traders, and welcome to the latest edition of the Keyzone Traders Trading Tips video series. And today we're going to talk about something that a lot of traders get wrong when they very first start out in the markets, and that is how much of your account you should risk per trade. So when you start out in the markets, a lot of people they're not educated properly on risk management and how much you should risk per trade. It's really important, as we discussed in previous tips, that you keep your leverage consistent to make sure that your edge can play out in the markets. But it's also important to know how much of your account you should risk per trade in relation to the style of trading that you're embarking on. So if you're sort of trading as a day trader, you really shouldn't be risking any more than 1% of your account per trade. If you're a scalper, that should be much less. It should be staggered in relation to how frequently you trade. Now, as a rule, we at Keyzone Traders, we don't recommend with any style of trading that you risk more than 2% of your account on any particular trade. But generally speaking, certainly when you're starting out, we would also advise no more than 1% of your risk per trade until you have built up the skill sets necessary to be able to manage your risk properly. So our trading tip of the week is, when you're starting out, make sure that you risk no more than 1% of your account per trade.